How to schedule Reels on Facebook from Meta Business Suite. Welcome back to the channel, and let's start with a tutorial. Firstly, make sure that you are switched into your Meta Business Suite. Once you are in a Meta Business Suite, tap on Create Reel bubble in the dashboard, or you can even go through the content for this. Now firstly, select the option of Share To and select whether you want to share it to your Facebook or Instagram. Then tap on Add Video, browse through the location and select the file that you want to upload. Mind it will take a while for your story or reel to be prepared or upload. Now in this caption section, you can add a caption for your reel. This is optional and you can totally skip it. Select a thumbnail for your reel. You can select the frame and upload a photograph beside the video itself. Tap Next once done. In the second step, you can add audio to your videos. You can even crop them, add text, or enhance your video outlook. For your audio, you can select from the vast list of audios, or you can even search for your own. To trim the video, you can just drag the cursor at the front. Once you are done, tap on Next. Now here comes the most important part we were looking for, scheduling option. You can tap on the schedule option. Now in here, select the day and date of schedule. If you have a playlist, you can even toggle on Add to a playlist option. Once it is done, tap on Schedule. Meta Business Suite will notify you once your reel is successfully scheduled. You can check out in the Schedule section under Content. And that is all for this video as well. We hope that you enjoyed this video and thank you so much for tuning in.